Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2022 Aprilia Tuono 660 with 3,789 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and cruise control. With sophisticated electronics, Brembo brakes, and a lightweight aluminum frame, the Tuono is extremely agile and reins in its formidable power with tight handling. Powered by a 659cc engine, the Tuono puts 100 horsepower and 50 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It has a 32.2-inch seat height and a dry weight of 373 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.